Hi guys, so this is Amita from Ami's Paper Passion and I'm here today with this beautiful mini album. This is a custom made mini album for a 14-year-old girl, and it is a 7 3/4 by 7.5 album with almost a 4-inch spine. I have used the Floral Symphony paper collection from Dress My Craft, and this is a very sturdy, beautiful paper. But the brief was that the birthday girl, the recipient, wants blue color, so I've tried to use as much of the blues as possible. So on the cover I've used, this is the base paper, and I have fuzzy cut all the flower elements from other papers to make a garden kind of effect. These beautiful handmade paper flowers are from Itsy Bitsy. I have put a MDF sentiment on this doily, and these are beautiful blue pearls. And on the spine I have used this sentiment from the paper pack. I fussy cut around it, and this is the back side of my beautiful backside of my album. So now let's start. It has 4 signatures, this album, and it's pretty interactive with a lot of pop-up elements. So on the inside cover I've got this big pocket, and wherein these cutouts or photo mats, however you use it, you can journal on them, serve as the closure for these flaps. So these flaps open up like here, this, and you can have a nice picture here, or you can give your dedication, write your wishes here. Even here a small picture, or maybe you can journal out here your wishes for the birthday girl. This is the mosaic type card with the surprise element. So all these flaps open up, and here I'll be putting the picture of a big picture of a birthday girl to reveal one full picture once all the flaps are open. So this is a surprise element which almost all my clients love. I have not put anything inside because I don't want to add to the bulk, and only the pictures will go in. Everything is magnetized, of course. I've put all these pages are pocket pages with inserts, and I've just kept them blank. The birthday girl will add whatever she wants to, and these are border punches. Wherever I have found it necessary, I've used border punch. So this is border punches also from Dress My Craft. It gives a very nice look to the album. So now this is page 2 of the album. This is a pop-up element. So this is the closure, and you have a double flap. This is the 3D element, this way. And I have put a piece of from the paper collection as a tuck spot, and where I have put in some die cut elements and some cutouts from the collection. So now this is a belly band page with a pop-up element inside as the surprise. Right now this page is locked because this is the closure. Belly band has flaps, and you can put pictures on both sides and journal out here and have a long picture here. Once the closure comes out, then this page is free to open, and it opens up like this. So again 3D flaps, pop-up flaps, and these flaps again open up like this, and I've again left them blank because pictures are going to come in. And the page locks up again with this flap, so no magnets used here for the closure. And this element I've tried for the first time. Again insert. This is the pop-up box. So this is another very favorite element that all my clients love. So it opens up like this, again left blank because I'm going to be putting pictures here. Pop-up element will come here, and a big picture can come here, and more pictures out here. I'm out of frame, but that's the concept. And this is a slider closure. So you have to slide this flap to open up this flap, and slide it down to open up this flap. And here one big picture and 4 smaller pictures on the flap, or you can journal, she can journal out here. So it closes like this, so it's all in place, no magnets here also. And then we have a hidden page which opens up for a twist and pop-up card. So this is the best element according to me. I love this one, and I love how it has come out. So now this again is a pop-up element, so it looks like a pocket of sort, but it opens up like this and like this, and you have 4 places for pictures, and which are 3D or pop-up style. Then this is the magic cube. It rotates, and you have to open up. Every space can be utilized to write, to journal, or put in pictures. And once assembled, it becomes a cube which rotates in place. So you can have pictures here and here too. So another fun element. It was fun making this one. This also I've tried for the first time. Then this is more of a memory page that I've made, because I needed to give more pockets, because these pockets are going to be used for her various wishes that she's going to get, or the dedications from her family. So this is a big pocket, a large pocket, where I have given some cutouts, and the mother will put in more wishes. Then this flap opens up, your space for picture, and this flap has a smaller pocket where again there are some cutouts which can be and more can be added to document whatever wishes she is getting. This again is a flap, or a flap of sorts. So I made a tuck spot with the scrap pieces from the paper pack. These are some paper cutout elements that I've added here, which can be, and anything else can also be put in here. So this opens up, and we have a pull out waterfall. So this time, this is the first time that I've made it into a horizontal waterfall. I normally have a vertical waterfall. So now this flap opens up and again opens up, and again these flaps open up. So this is like one big display of lots of pictures. So 4 pictures, one big centerpiece, and here you can journal, put a small picture here and journal. Because the papers are so good, I have hardly used any embellishments, because it already adds to the bulk, so I don't want to add, and plus the paper itself is very beautiful looking. So that's my album for the day. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you love and share my albums and my videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot.